Hi guys, in front of me is Realme 10 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first you need to reach Settings, then go to Personalizations and now select Wallpaper. Here you can either pick something from your own album or one from the default pictures here. For example, this one. Obviously you can scroll through all of them and pick the one that you like the most. But let me pick this first option, then select Apply and decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. I would choose both. And that's it, as you can see. It is done, so from now on this brand new picture is covering both your home and also lock screen. So that would be all, this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.